宋颍川鱼小言，贼鱼，本草从鱼，从泽，古时不常为盘中之食。至民国盛，鲁迅曾于《朝花夕拾》曰：“死乌贼鱼下酒，慷慨一痛。”今食之为常。锅内入泡椒油，次第加红二荆条泡椒末、泡姜末、姜蒜米、整子弹头泡椒、红二荆条泡椒、酒糟，小火出色出味。下墨鱼仔、青笋条之时，谨记快速翻炒。红白鲜嫩之色，犹如清丽脱俗之纹，见之已久，最可堪搭。
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's the first week of national lockdown. Stock level of food has become a problem. Not enough chooks to lay enough eggs. Not enough varieties of meat. Some vegetables prices have gone crazy. So oil, pasta, rice and flour are all limited. Everywhere is the same. Well, it's quite positive that most of us still look chilled. Clearly panicking won't help, but how do we clean up the mess? It doesn't mean that we don't have good news. The international demands of Australian seafood have decreased. Seafood tends to be more reasonably priced than ever before. Celeries, garlic shoots and capsicums are all good. I'm using capsicum as currently it's the most affordable one. Try to score the main parts of cuttlefish. Who cares? Cut other parts into matching pieces if you care. Here comes boiling water. Dump them in, which will stop the dish from becoming watery. Batch session should be less than a minute. Get them out, let them drain and dry up. Add cooking oil into a well preheated pan. Dump all the chopped garlic and pickles in. Get fine chopped pickled chili in. Quick stirring to bring up the flavor. Of course, we love fair bit drizzle along the side of pan. Chuck them back. Well, mix them with our caramelized sauce. No one escapes. Fry the heat up. Don't forget the veggies. We need a quick mix here. We'd love the sizzle and fragrance of cooking wine coming from the side of the fry pan. Done, ready to serve.